How to fix Windows Event ID 800 issue. Windows Event ID 800 means that the DNS clients cannot resolve the primary server address for the zone. This can cause network issues and slow down your internet connection. Here are some possible solutions for this error. Fix the zone SOA, start of authority, configuration problem. This error occurs when the zone is configured to accept updates, but the A record for the primary server in the zone SOA record is not available on this DNS server. To fix this, you need to verify and correct the SOA and name server settings for the zone in the DNS server properties. You also need to make sure that the zone includes a host, A or AAA, resource record for the primary server. Path, roles DNS server DNS. Check DNS configuration settings. This error can also occur if there are some mistakes or misconfigurations in the DNS settings. To fix this, you need to check and ensure that every value that you have entered in the DNS server properties is correct. If you are not sure about the correct values, you may need assistance from your IT admin or a professional. Path, roles DNS server DNS. Other tip, check if the client system can reach, ping, the host.